Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis. Sorry, I couldn't do market analysis yesterday. I've been very busy in some other activities. So let's start for 9th of November 2023 and see what's happening in the market. Starting with Forex Factory, uh, let's see what's happening in the news. And we got important news of 130. Unemployment claim, that's what we are most interested in. And then 17, we got Fed Chair Powell speaks. So these are the important for the whole day, apart from CNI, Chinese yen, which we're not interested. So 1:30 and 7 p.m. UK time. Now going to US dollar. Sorry, in fact, let's go to Dixie first and see what's happening in the market. Let me remove all these levels. Okay, let's see daily. And we have this area in daily. And then we have this area. There's a data point here, 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 and here. We have multiple data points. Currently, market is deducting from here after filling up the fair value gap here. Now, what we should expect. Going to the smaller time frame, 4 hours, strong rejection from here. It looks like market will come down. Or maybe it will range here before it makes the next move. And let's see what's happening in gold. And gold, Asian high, and this is Asian low. This broke the Asian low here and retested it. So I grab this liquidity here with this big candle. That's in 1 hour candle, and you can see after 1 hour candle with this breakout. Yeah, that's a very interesting breakout with the bullish breakout with a long candle. We did see the market coming down, and it's, and as you can see in daily, there is a strong bearish pressure from the top. So in daily, you can see there is a rejection from here, and this bearish candle confirmed that possibly there is a move coming to the downside. To support that evidence, we have this long move here in daily, very bullish move. This move was giving another evidence that market should come down. And now we'll see which level are the possible levels. So 0.618 is 0.5150, 0.5. These are the usual levels, strong levels where market usually bounce to the downside. And this level in daily, as you can see, 50 level, it's strongly supported by this area as well, with this order block. And we've got data point to alongside these data points. So it's a very strong area. I'm expecting the market to come to around 1930 level. That's the first target. And after that, we've got 1909. In fact, around close to 1900. So that's another. So around 1930, 35, that could be first target. Going into 4-hour, market is currently on this level, and we may see some pullback up at least to the 1960 level because of this fair value gap as well. This breakdown, retest, and then to the downside. We got this area then. And that's it what we're expecting for now. And you can see in 6-hour, if you want to see further, there's a clean move, even in daily as we're seeing, the clean move here. We'll definitely expect the market to come down because of the bearish pressure. However, we have to see price action here on this level to confirm the entry to the downside. So I leave it to you on that note. Also, one more thing, you can always go into 15 minutes and track down changes, what's happening on how the market is moving. And now the market has just opened. It's 11 o'clock UK time. You can see the movement in Dixie as well, what's happening. And the gold is going up right now at this moment of time. And 15-minute Dixie is not, for some reason, this is always late movement in the Dixie. So gold is, so sometimes they both go up. Maybe head and shoulder here. Let's see. Anyway, so that's it for now. And I hope this is helpful to you. And good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.